Hey guys, Tank here. Today I have something special to show you. Got a guy from Texas called Keith. Some of you know him as KBRC13. That's his YouTube channel if you want to check him out. Link to his channel is below in the description. I commissioned him to actually paint a body for me for Tamiya Lunchbox a while back. Some of you actually saw it, but it's the first time I'm actually gonna drive that Tamiya Lunchbox and actually put it on the ground, and I'll try to be nice with it because I don't really want to scratch up the body, and you'll see why, because of this. So I did paint the rims green to match kind of the dragon, and also on the other side there is a green scenery, but I did paint the inside of the rim black because they were originally yellow. And I just found that it was kind of weird having it yellow on the inside. So that's the front. He did an awesome job, and I actually put red lights inside, so it actually gives me red eyes. And this is on this side the reason I actually painted it green, because of the grass scenery here. And we have a knight that's actually fighting the dragon with all the flames. And at the back on the door I have this. Yes, I did not put the stickers here because I'm debating on what to do here. I still have the original body for this, so I am going to have two different bodies. So I'm probably going to paint this or do other stickers for it. Here I got to do a license plate for it. So, never driven the Lunchbox before. And this is basically on top. Two dragons fighting in the air. So that's going to be kind of cool. So, never driven the Tamiya Lunchbox before. It's going to be my first time putting it on the ground. I have no idea how it handles, but we're about to find out. And I have no idea if it's going to do wheelies, but from some of the videos I've seen it does. This is the original wheelie bar that comes with it. So we'll see how that handles. And we're going to be coming to a little park here. So I'll be, what they say, conservative, or I'll take it a little easy on this little guy. There we go, it's on the ground. Nothing is locked. And right now I am on gravel, so it's actually just spinning instead of wheeling. But I guess if I do it on grass, yeah, it does kind of wheelie. This thing is fun. Try not to go too far away from you guys. I am running a 2S battery in there right now, LiPo. An original motor silver can that comes with it, with the ESC that actually comes with it. Oh yeah, this thing is on a good surface. It's a little wheelie machine. Almost hit that tree. Look out for the tree. Turning radius is not too good on this thing. Hey, I wonder if it's good enough to do a loop-to-loop. Let's just say we won't try it. Thought it would do donuts, but it doesn't do donuts. It's too light in the front. It's not getting a grip. So actually try to do donuts. See if we can't make it jump over here a little bit. Oh, there's water. Whoa! Little accident. Little mud never hurt nobody. Let's see if we can't make it the two wheels in the mud. No, it just slipped. Don't know if there's a way to adjust the slipper clutch on this thing so it doesn't. Must be full of water or something. But hey, Keith, it's dirty with mud. Nothing a little water is going to fix it later. Does get a little bit of air. This thing could need more power. This thing should give me more air. Hopefully. Oh, almost missed it. I'm not going to hit this at full spin because it might break something. Coming the other way anyways. Let's try that. Coming this way. See if I can't hit that. Woohoo! Let's send it. I kind of missed it a little bit. Too funny. Try that again. Oh! Not good. I did not put the body pins because this is pretty tight when you put the body on. I didn't think I would need it. But I guess I will have to put the body pins on here. And I'm afraid that if I put the body pin and rub against the body, I'm going to scratch the paint. So anyways, no damage done on the paint. There's a lot of clear that he actually put on this body. So there wasn't a lot of weight when it actually dragged on the ground. So everything is fine. Everything is hunky-dory. Let's keep going. And because I didn't put the hob body pins, I guess I'm not going to make it jump that high anymore. For now, anyways. Yeah, I got to check that slipper clutch to see if there's a way to make it a little bit tighter. But I don't think there is. Because when I went in the water, it started slipping a lot. Yeah, right now it's really slipping and it's not wheeling anymore. So I don't know if it's because it's wet or what's going on, but I can drive it around and see. Oh, look at that. There's a scrapyard, a body of a, looks like a military truck or something that was left here. There you go, guys. This video is about 10 minutes long. It's long enough to put on YouTube and to see this. Keith, you did an amazing job. Thank you very much. This thing is going to be fun, and yes, it is not going to be a shelf queen. I am going to use it like you saw. Anyways, guys, catch you later. Keep having fun and go charge up some batteries and go in there and break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers, guys.